Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. Got a beautiful 2019 Ford F150 crew cab, four-wheel drive. It's got a unique color. It's called Silver Spruce. I don't think I've ever had one that color. It's very pretty. It's got silver and a light tint of green in it. It's kind of hard to describe, but it's real pretty. It's got the towing package, backup camera. Get the Rhino liner, bed liner, very nice, no scratch. Got the LED lights, cargo tie downs. This truck is in light new condition. It's only got 7,500 miles. Beautiful truck. It's got a factory install suspension lift kit. Probably the best driving truck I've been in that's been lifted. It's very quiet, smooth. You can let go of the steering wheel at 70 miles an hour and it just stays straight. Very well done. I believe it's like a 6-inch, that's what it looks like. Got some all-terrain BF Goodrich 35, 12.5, 20. Some Pro Comp wheels. Let's see here. We've got remote engine start, which you just lock it. Push this button twice. Cranks right up. That's nice for the winter or summer. It'll get the climate control going. Like I said, this was a local trade. One owner, clean Carfax, non-smoker. It's been certified, so it's got the warranty up to 100,000 miles. We check everything and extend the warranty. You can make that bumper to bumper for a small fee, but it does have quite a bit of warranty on it. Got the keypad entry. I do like the running boards on it. Got power windows, power mirrors. They're heated too. Keyless entry. It's got dual power seats with lumbar support. It's an XLT, but it's got the cat skin leather package, which I think is better than factory. They're actually more comfortable and the material's more durable. That's my opinion, but I've seen quite a bit of vehicle with the cat skin and I am impressed. It's got the all-weather formats, got the regular formats also. Adjustable power pedal, automatic headlights, fog lights. So yeah, about those miles, 7,544 miles. Just like new, still smells new in here. Got your cruise control, your audio controls on the steering wheel. It's got your trip computer. It's got the new 10-speed automatic transmission with the tow mode. Shift on the fly four-wheel drive. You've got your, you can put some apps, Bluetooth, AM, FM. Let's see what the sources are. AM, FM, Sirius Satellite, and Bluetooth. And that's the Ford Pass. You can connect your phone with the app and you can control the truck. You can start it. Excuse me. You can start it and check on the status of your vehicle remotely with your phone. Got your climate control, heated seats, got some USB ports, lots of storage. Lots of storage here too. Got a 12-volt outlet and it's got the inverter with a 110 volt, 400 watts. Got your backup camera. It's got the power sliding rear glass with the defroster. That's kind of nice. Push the button, boom. Got the owner's manual, both keys. Like I said, the truck's brand new, pretty much, in the condition of it. Got tinted windows. Got the windshield shade. Lots of room back here. These seat raise up. As you can see, it's got carpet and floor mats are clean. It's got a nice rubber mat on top. Got all kind of outlets here, keep everything charged, and some vents, keep everyone comfortable. Lots of room. Again, same material back here too. Got the easy fuel, no cap. Also, this one has the optional extended fuel tank, 36 gallon. That gives you quite a bit of range. As you can see, it's a Southern truck, no rust, hadn't been in the mud. This was adult driven. No scratch, no dents. It's got a mild exhaust on it. Not too loud, but just enough to let you know it's there. Power seats. Here's both keys. Just a sweet truck. And also it's got the 5-liter V8, which is rare these days. Most of them got the V6 EcoBoost. It's the 5.0 proven engine. Reliable. As you can see, the engine compartment is like new, no rust, no mud, just like it should. So this F150 comes with the remainder of the factory warranty, the 3-year 36,000 bumper to bumper, 560 on the powertrain. That includes the suspension components because it was done at the dealership and has been certified, so got peace of mind. If you're looking for a sharp truck that's kind of unique in light new condition at an affordable price, this here is your ticket. There's close to $10,000 worth of extra that was put on, so tremendous saving for a light new truck. To see if this F150 is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Credit applications on my website. You can fill that out and I'll see what I can do for you. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, or if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.